Happening today, the Duval County School District must give a report to the Florida Department of Education on how it is complying with Florida's Parents' Bill of Rights.
It requires schools to notify parents when it comes to their students' mental, emotional, or physical health. As Ashley Harding reports, Duval County is one of 9 counties the state says may not be in compliance.
The Board of Education sent the Duval County School Superintendent this letter last month, and it asked the district to review its policies and procedures and then to prepare a report. It will then share the results of that report and any changes to district policy at a public meeting happening this morning. Now, this letter outlines 3 very specific areas. They are restrooms and locker rooms, overnight field trips, plus guidelines for transgender students, which includes LGBTQ plus student support action steps. Now, this past July, the Duval County School Board unanimously signed off on a policy that made it a requirement for employees to notify parents if there was a change in their child's support services, and that includes if their student wants to change their name or their gender pronoun. The policy goes on to say further district personnel are required to encourage students to discuss issues relating to his or her well-being with his or her parent, or to try and facilitate discussion of the issue with the parent. Now, people who support the policy changes say this gives parents more oversight into what their children are being taught in school, but opponents say they could potentially harm vulnerable students. Now, that meeting begins at 10 o'clock, and News4Jax will be monitoring those developments to keep you updated at noon and on the news later on tonight. Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.